Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Dimension.
What does the dictionary say?
A property of space. Extension in a given direction.
Math rap.
A line has 1, a square has 2, a cube has 3 dimensions. To view, it's a measurement of length in one direction, but can include measures of depth and width upon inspection.
Math rap.
What did the math teacher say when she saw a copy of Shakespeare's book Hamlet? 2D or not 2D? What is the dimension? Hey, dimension, this is my fave math term. Like a book, did you know that even a piece of paper is technically 3D? Explain dimensions in your own words. What's your fave dimension? Why? Make a chart and list 10 objects or living things that are found in 1D, 2D, and 3D. While you're doing that, say, did I mention dimension 17 times? Did I mention dimension? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!